In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Axis Bank Gold Loan account. If you're looking for a way to log in and access to your gold loan from Axis Bank, then first, open up a preferred web browser, go to the search box and type in axisbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official site for Axis Bank. Go ahead and mouse over the login button and click on the login button right next to your internet banking account that you signed up with. Once you click login, it will then take you to the login page. Here, you can log in to your internet banking account by entering your login ID or your customer ID. You can also log in using your debit card number or your MPIN. Go ahead and select any way you'd like to choose to sign in with. In my case, I've chosen the login ID/customer ID. Go ahead and enter your information in the text box. Make sure to type it in correct, and then on the next field, type in your password correct. If you don't remember your password for your internet banking account, click on this reset here link and follow the password reset process. Now, once you're done entering the credentials, right under, you'll be able to see login directly to. You can click on the loans option and then click login. After you're logged into your account, go ahead and select the loans tab and then click on the gold loan option in order to log in and access your gold loan for Axis Bank. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.